Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are actually going to Hogenekel. It's a very popular place in Karnataka. So yeah, and the whole place is basically forest. If we are lucky today, we will most probably see some animals. Yeah, and if we see some animals, it'll be very good for you people too. I'll show all the animals to you people. Yeah, as you guys know, we have to tell bye to our grandparents whenever we go anywhere out. Yeah, I'll show them to you in 1 minute. Bye, Tata. Bye. Okay, thank you. Bye, Ji. We have started from our house to the destination, which is Hogenekel. So, guys, we have stopped in Godavari Cafe. So, we'll eat something, then we'll again start to the destination. So, guys, we finished eating our lunch. I ate bisi bele bath and sweet pongal. So actually my father is a very experienced traveler, so he'll tell us the places that we'll go through to reach Hogenekel.
Hi everyone. So we'll now go to Silk Board, then take the Electronic City flyover, reach Atibele, then take a ride, go to Hosur Circle, then we'll take Tenkani Kota, then Anchetti, Natrampalayam, Vaddapatti and then Hogenekel. Thank you.
So, as I told you, he's a very great experienced traveler, so he knows everything. I don't know anything except Bangalore. Guys, so we have entered Tamil Nadu. I couldn't show you guys the border. It was very crowded there and there was a lot of traffic, so that's why. Okay, I'll keep you guys updated. So we have reached Tenkani Kotai. So we'll reach Hogenekel in 1 hour, 40 minutes, 61 kilometers. So I'll be posting videos like this all the time. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Next week we are planning to go to Mysore or Pondicherry. Look at this view, guys. There's a beautiful temple on the hill. That's I don't think you people can see it. It's called Durgam. It's the temple of Lord Shiva. I have gone to the temple before many years. It's a beautiful view. I have entered Kaveri way to the destination. There's a lot of monkeys. Lake on the way. Look at this beautiful climate. It's drizzling here. I think around 15 more minutes and we'll reach Hogenekel. Fog is like so much. My specs is like fully covered with fog. Even when I wipe it, it's still coming again and again. So I was like, I'm just gonna leave it. But then just look around, bro. It's crazy. This is Satyanar sir. Satyaraj sir. He's the officer. Thank you, sir. This is very sad. Actually, what happened was there has a car gone down into some hole or something. So yeah, so my father has gone to help. There are already a lot of people who are helping them. See, more people are going. So yeah, my father has told me to stay in the car. So yeah, guys, I think we'll be a bit late to reach Hogenekel. It's very sad. I want to actually help them, but like my father has strictly told me don't come out. So yeah. The car fell in. So hopefully no one got hurt and they have pulled the car out. Guys, look at the beautiful view. This road is very shaky. It's a very ghat road. I feel like vomiting. Oh my god, it's too shaky, guys. As you can see, there's a lot of potholes and bumps. What do you say? Road bumps. Yeah. This monkey, guys. No, he's gonna jump on our window. Close the window, yeah. I'm scared of monkeys. When I was small once, when I went to a temple, a monkey grabbed my leg and it scratched my leg. I have horrible incidents in my life. So I'm gonna ask my father how much will he rate the roads of Hogenekel? No, on the way to Hogenekel out of 10. How much would you rate?
See, I cannot rate the entire stretch at once. So the road till Natrampalayam is excellent.
Okay.
Road till Anchetti is good. Natrampalayam is okay. But from Natrampalayam to Hogenekel, it is pathetic.
How much would you rate that road?
I will say -1.
-1.
Because if not for Bolero, I don't think so. You saw that, right?
Yeah. I
Wagoner
saw
went into the
pit
what is
hole.
it?
Yeah,
Pit.
the hole.
Just because so it is alone narrowly missed from rolling down.
Yeah.
So that is it's pathetic. I don't think any small car can survive this road.
Yeah, guys. So before coming to Hogenekel, buy a good powerful car like Bolero or Scorpio. That would make your ride. Yeah.
Or the other alternative is you put the road yourself.
Yeah. So buy or rent a car like Bolero or Scorpio, which is like it would make your journey more easier. That's what I would say.
Confident,
As it has, confident for a driver. Yeah. So that's why my father is very confident while driving, because Bolero is a very powerful car. That's why police also use it for a reserve forest. So yeah. So we are gonna take the same road while coming back, most probably. So the forest officer in this video before this clip, he told that if you take the same route again for night, you will most probably for sure see elephants. I don't know. Yeah, most probably we'll take this route, or as my father said, the road is not that good. So yeah, let's see. If my mother is okay with this route, then we will go ahead. Can you people see the Kaveri water there? Yeah, so sorry for the noise, guys. It's actually raining. It's very raining. As we reached a bit closer to Kaveri forest, Kaveri river, it started raining. So sorry, guys. I don't think you people got a closer look on the beautiful Kaveri river. So yeah, let's see. Look at this beautiful Kaveri river. Yeah, so I don't think I can show you people the famous Hogenekel Falls. So I think that's it for today, guys. I post daily vlogs every day, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So that's it for today, guys. Bye.